Just show when beginning. I should wash in there, right? Or where?
Anytime.
Okay, I'm a reading guy. I'm a musician playing in the subway. Why playing in the subway? Because I like present music in a life for people in a life, like for real people, real music. And I very love when the people pay attention about it and appreciate, like from car.
How did you get your pass? Tell me a little bit about your audition and how long you've been playing in the subway.
So it's every year. TTC doing audition for musicians. It's many musicians coming, and this is big competition. It's not so not so easy, right? It's not so easy. But we have when you have audition where you got it, you got a license. And you can play in all year for this license. Every single year it's a new edition. That's why the quality of musician performance is going up. I think this is a really good.
If you can talk about your partner, introduce your partner, you guys can just, talk about, tell me who your partner is and how long you guys have been playing together.
He can.
Oh yeah, sure. Okay, if you just guys want to get a little bit together. Yeah. Okay, just how you guys hooked up and. Okay, go ahead.
My partner Andrew. My name Alexander Levkovich. I am from Ukraine. He's from St. Petersburg. I like this deal because I enjoy, and when people enjoy from our performers, yeah, we enjoy too.
How many hours would you spend in a day? Is it like a 40-hour work week, or you come and go as you please, or you have to be at a certain location, or?
Okay. Every musician in the TTC have a schedule, and everyone can play in 6 hours. But sometimes it's some optional station where you can play in without schedule, but with a license. And we sometimes play on different time spent in the subway because we don't have any management. We just want playing, we playing. We don't want playing or feeling a little bit tired, we go away. Usually 6-8 hours. When you come into your schedule, it's no problem. You have for every day 6 hours location for all year, every single day. But sometimes people don't come in to his schedule. It's free. It's a free spot, and we sometimes take spot if schedule guy coming for this spot, we go away. I think it's no any problems with this one. It's very good system. In the winter.
Okay, what's it like playing during the winter?
Oh, that's very cool and not easy play. Winter.
We used
Yeah,
to see
we have some
gloves.
Yeah. Sometimes people invited us play parties.
Like private parties.
Private parties, yeah, and we founded a place for play in hotel, maybe, I don't know.
You guys do any recording?
Yeah. We just yesterday finished our recording new tape. It will be maybe next week.
A classical style or?
Classical, folk style,
It's okay.
it's a classical and soft music and popular some melodies and different there.
What's the name of the band?
Name of band just Andrei and Alexander.
2A.
2 A's.
Yeah.
Where can I get the CD? When's the CD coming out?
I think maybe probably next month CD, but tape will be next week.
And you sell your tapes on?
Yeah, but we just beginning this year working together with Alex, and we didn't sell yet our cassettes, but we tried. Why not?
How long you fellas been working in the TTC? How many years is it?
I'm playing already probably 4 years.